Hello and welcome to PerfectJob. My name is Alan Barr and I'll be your host in this demonstration. PerfectJob is an ERP system designed for custom manufacturers of architectural products. So let's talk about some very basic questions. What is an ERP system? Why would you want one? And what can PerfectJob do that no other ERP system can? Okay, so what is an ERP system? Enterprise Resource Planning. So what is it? An ERP system is a database program that connects every aspect of your business together. From customer relationship management to sales and marketing, estimates, quotes, contracts, drawings, project and production management, all the way through accounting. Now, why is this so important? Well, let's talk about what you do right now. Let's say your estimator is working in an Excel program or a third-party takeoff program. Now let's say they've done a great job doing a detailed takeoff on a particular job. So what happens when you want to prepare this proposal for a customer? Does all the detailed information automatically become the body of the proposal without retyping any of the scope of work or customer information? Chances are no. If you want to communicate this information, somebody has to retype the information into another software program. Now, let's say you get this job. What happens to all that scope of work information that's already been entered twice into computers? Does it automatically become the basis for shop tickets and production? No. It's going to be retyped at least twice again, once by your drafting department and once by your production manager. And what about, this doesn't even account for shipping and piece tracking. Well, I think you get the point. The cost of having departmental operations disconnected from one another is astronomical, and I can show you that it's in the thousands of employee hours. Not to mention the real cost of multiple entries is in human error. We've all unfortunately had the experience of shipping a product to a job, not knowing anything was wrong until the customer calls from the scaffold screaming because the piece is wrong, doesn't fit, had the wrong tag, or the wrong size. That's human error. And the cost of that mistake could be the relationship with the customer. And the frustrating part is that these errors could easily have been avoided. Now, ERP systems eliminate the need for multiple entry and connect every aspect of your organization together. Now, I'm not telling you anything that you don't know. You all know the importance of the value of information and keeping it straight in this business. So you've probably tried to implement standards and procedures, develop forms, develop programs in Word and Excel and Access, and maybe even invested in a software program to custom build a system for you. But the fact is that it's not an ERP system. You're not connecting your sales process with your contracts, to your shop tickets, to the production shop, to shipping, and most importantly, connecting to a high-powered accounting system. Now, here's what's nice about what we're doing at PerfectJob that nobody else is doing. We're leveraging the hundreds of thousands of hours of product development that's been put into Microsoft Dynamics NAV ERP platform. We're putting the results of that effort to work for you. We're taking the best ERP platform that we found on the market and we're customizing the interface and functionality to work for the custom architectural products industry. How do we do that? Well, for starters, we made it talk in the universal language of construction, which are dimensions. PerfectJob sees and speaks in dimensions and calculates values based on cubic volumes and weights. Next, it knows how to handle your customers. We've developed a bidders list for customer bidding that our system will manage for you. Next, PerfectJob understands the value of the quote and the importance of the quote. We give you multiple ways of entering job-related information, everything from detailed piece quantities to linear footage and square footage calculators in our quotation forms. PerfectJob gives you a method by which you can refine the detailed piece information and create production orders based on final approved job information, handle your jobs in phases to accommodate your customers' needs, ship and track your products on a piece-by-piece basis, and keep all your job records, including production and financial, organized in one central on-screen dashboard location. This is the power of ERP. So what's our point? It's all about communication, speed, accuracy, and the quality of the flow of information. You realize this. You've tried to address the problem, but who has the time to develop a custom software system on your own to do everything you want it to do? Well, that's what PerfectJob has done. We've done it for you. We know the industry, we know the frustrations, and we know what you want at the end of the day. Take advantage of the value that 20 years experience in ERP systems has built into NAV, along with the 25 years experience in the custom stone industry that has helped shape PerfectJob. Software needs to be the last thing you think about, but the first thing you rely on. Let us show you more by scheduling a full demonstration of PerfectJob by getting in touch with us at www.perfectjoberp.com. Thank you.